Hello children, now let's learn the remaining parts of the chapter integers. Okay, so page number 17. You have already learned what addition, right? Addition of integers, positive and negative integers. Now let us see, let's discuss. There is a conversation between Dada, Anil and Sunita. So Dada is saying the amount we have and the amount we get are positive. The amount we already have and we get it from someone or some place, it is positive. And the amount we borrow means we ask someone and will you please give me and get it, buy it, take it, that will be borrowing. So the amount we borrow or spend, we spend money to buy anything, both of them will be represented as negative number. So now Anil is saying, I have 5 rupees and mother gave me 3 rupees. So he is already having a positive. He's having 5 rupees. So that is positive. Now he gets 3 rupees from mother. So what will be the total amount he is having? He will be having 8 rupees. So all the 3 are positive. Positive plus positive, you get a positive. Next, now Dada is saying, Sunita, if I lend you 5 rupees to buy a pen, how will you show it? So, Dada is giving 5 rupees to Sunita. So, Sunita, which means in other words, Sunita is borrowing 5 rupees. That is, how will you represent borrowing money? Minus 5. Okay. Now, he is lending, Dada is lending again another 3 rupees also. So with this he is giving 3 rupees also. One more borrowing. So how much? So minus 8 rupees Sunita would have borrowed from Dada. So minus 8 rupees she has to return to Dada. Now Dada is telling. Now, so Sunita already has to give how much? Minus 8. Right? Next, mother gave you 2 rupees. So mother gave you 2 rupees. So she has to give minus 8 rupees to Dada, but she gets 2 rupees from mother. So she would give that 2 rupees to whom? Dada, right? Then how much rupees left? So she will only have to give 6 rupees. So she had to give 8 rupees to Dada, but she gets 2 rupees from mother. So that 2 rupees she gives it to Dada, so she only has to pay the remaining, that is 6 rupees, which that is again borrowed amount, you represent it as negative. Now, another case. Anil he's saying, I am having 8 rupees. So Anil is having 8 rupees and he spends that amount, some amount, how much? 3 rupees to buy pencil, that is 8 minus 3. So what will be the amount left? He will be having 5 rupees. So all these cases we are just doing is we are adding positive and negative numbers. Okay, you are just revising addition of positive and negative numbers. Okay, now let's go to the next page, page 18. That is practice set 5. So we are going to do addition of integers. Okay, first question, you have to add 8 plus 6, both are positive. So simple addition. What will be the answer? 8 plus 6 is 14. Next one, 9 plus minus 3. How will you write that? 9 minus 3. What will be 9 minus 3? You will get 6. Next, 5 plus minus 6. So here positive number is added to a negative number where the numeral is 6 is greater than 5. No, just forgetting all the signs. So if you add such numbers, what will you do is you will put a negative sign and in the bracket you will subtract it. That is 6 minus 5 you will do. What is 6 minus 5? It is 1 and you will put a negative sign for it. That is minus 1. Okay. Next one. Next is minus 7 plus 2. Here also it will be same case. What? you have to put a negative sign and you have to do 7 minus 2. And you will, what the answer will be, minus 5 will be. The 7 minus 2 is 5 and you will put a negative sign for it. Next, minus 8 plus 0. What is minus 8 plus 0? If you add 0 to any number, its value doesn't change, right? So it will be minus 8 plus 0 is minus 8. Next one, two negative numbers. What is it? Minus 5 and minus 2. If you are adding them, you just have to add 5 and 2. What is it? 7. And you will put a negative sign. Okay, minus 7. So that is how you do addition. Here you are doing all case additions. Next one is complete the table. Next question. What is it? They have given a table. Here they have given some numbers and here also some numbers are being given. So you have to complete the table. That is, you have to add minus 2 to 8, minus 2 to 4, minus 2 to minus 3 and minus 2 to minus 5. So here, what is minus 2 plus 8? How will you write it? Another way you can write 8 minus 2. So what will be the answer? It will be 6. Now, minus 2 plus 4. How will you write it? 4 minus 2, which will be equal to 2. Next, minus 2 plus minus 3. Here, in both these cases, it is you are subtracting. Okay, but here, what is it? Both are negative numbers. So you will add just the numerals. That is 2 and 3. If you add, how much will you get? 5. So you will put a negative minus for the 5. That is minus 5 will be the minus 2 plus minus 3 will be minus 5. Okay. Next, minus 2 plus minus 5 will be the answer. Again, you will add 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. So you put a negative sign. Minus 7 will be the answer. Next, both are positive numbers. What is it? 6 plus 8. What will be the answer? Simple addition. The answer will be 6 plus 8 is 14. Next, 6 plus 4. What will be the answer? Again, simple addition. Answer is 10. Next, 6 plus minus 3. How can you write it? Another way, 6 minus 3. And what will be the answer? Will be 3. 3 is the answer. Next, 6 plus minus 5. So minus 5. So that, what will you do? You will do 6 minus 5. What will be the answer? It will be 1. Next, 0. You are adding 0 to 8, 0 to 4. If you add 0 to any number, the value doesn't change. That is, 0 plus 8 will be how much? 8. 0 plus 4 will be 4. And 0 plus minus 3 will be minus 3. And 0 plus minus 5 will be minus 5. The value doesn't change. Okay. Next, minus 4 and 8. That is minus 4 plus 8. How will you write it? It is equal to 8 minus 4. And the answer is how much? 4. Okay. Next, minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. So, what is it? 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So, the answer is 0. Next, minus 4 and minus 3. So, here two negative numbers, right? Minus 4 and minus 3. You will add 4 and 3. What is the answer? 4 plus 3 is 7. And you will put a negative sign. Minus 7. Then, minus 4 plus minus 5. Again, two negative numbers. You will add both. 4 plus 5 is 9 and you will put a negative sign. So you get -9. So this is how you complete the table.